A girl sneezed for 978 days. One morning in 1981, Donna Griffiths, a schoolgirl from England, let out a sneeze, and then another, and then 20 more. Harmless, right? Except she didn't stop. What started as a regular sneeze turned into a full-blown, uncontrollable sneeze marathon for 978 days straight. That's nearly 3 years of sneezing around the clock. She sneezed while eating, in the shower, even in her sleep. Doctors were baffled. They tested her for allergies, viruses, even hypnotized her. Nothing worked. The poor girl became a walking earthquake drill. And then, just as mysteriously as it started, the sneezing stopped. No cure, no explanation. Just poof, gone. Science still doesn't know what caused it. But hey, next time your nose acts up, be glad you're not Donna.